Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today's video is for Prawn Saganaki. Prawn Saganaki is a classic Greek dish that's perfect for any occasion. In this video I'll show you how to make a delicious and simple version that's sure to become a staple in your meal planning. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. Now we're going to take a frying pan, we're going to spray it with some oil and we're going to place it onto a high heat. Then to this we're going to add 250 grams of peeled king prawns and season them well with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now we're going to cook those for 1 minute and then we're just going to take them off, remove them and set them on a plate to the side. Now in the same pan we're going to add one finely diced onion and we're going to cook that for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to add 1 finely diced green pepper, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of tomato puree and a pinch of chili flakes, again depending on how hot you like it. We'll stir that well and we'll cook that again for a further 1 to 2 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now I'm going to add 1 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of granulated sugar. We're going to stir that well and we'll bring it to the boil. Now I'm going to add half a bunch of freshly chopped basil and 75 grams of crumbled feta cheese. Now we're going to gently replace the prawns back into the pan. Now I'm going to crumble over another 75 grams of feta cheese and sprinkle again with half a bunch of basil. Then finally I'm going to sprinkle over 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. Pop the lid on and we're going to place it into a preheated oven that's been preheated to 200 degrees centigrade for a fan oven or 220 for an ordinary oven. We'll let that cook for 20 minutes and now it's time to serve. Now I've just served mine on top of some pasta, but you can serve yours with garlic bread or you can serve it with rice. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video for Prawn Saganaki. If you did, again don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and I hope to see you in my further videos.